Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing, and welcome back to the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist for E-Commerce series of videos. Today we are on video number 14, I believe. Yes, video number 14. And today's checklist item is asking whether you have excluded the display network from your search campaigns. So by default, when you set up a search campaign, Google will, unless you change it, will also show your search ads on the display network. So what we mean by that is the display network, or GDN, Google Display Network, are actually billions of sites across the world, across the internet, where you can show and see banner ads and image ads and all sorts of things. But text ads can also be shown as part of your search campaign. Well, display campaigns are very different from search campaigns. Search campaigns you target by keywords. Display campaigns you can target by keywords, but not in the same way. You target more based on the content of either the content of the website that you want the ad to show on, or based on the audience, so based on the person who is browsing around and who you want to show the ads to. So to show your search ads on the display network is really not a good idea. You need to have separate campaigns for search and display, and you can potentially waste a lot of money showing these search ads on the display network, and many people are doing this and don't even realize that's what's happening and wondering why they're not getting great results, or that it's costing a lot and they're not getting conversions. So I'm quickly going to jump in to the interface now and show you where to go to check and to change that setting. So in your main dashboard, just go into your search campaign here, and then you want to go to settings over on the left there, and where it says networks here, this is where you want to go. And this is the option that you will get by default, and that's what you'll get when you go through and set up a campaign. You can change it at that point, or you can go back and change it afterwards. And here we are. We want a search network campaign, and then under here you'll notice it says display network, include display network. No, we don't want that. You uncheck that box and hit save, and that's your search ads now will not show on the display network, and that is the setting that you want to make sure that you have set. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for updates on the latest videos, and please comment below if you have any questions, and or actually there's a link down below to download the whole checklist if you want to do that. But I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.